Good evening everyone. Today we will be discussing the Advocates Amendment Bill 2023, which marks a significant milestone in our legal landscape. This bill was introduced in the Rajya Sabha on August 1st, 2023 with the intent of amending the Advocate Act 1961, bringing much needed transparency and efficiency to our legal system. One of the most crucial aspects of this amendment focuses on addressing the pervasive issue of touts, who have for long been exploiting the legal system. Hello friends, I am Advocate Anuj Kumar and you are watching the Top IQ Lawyer channel, where we empower you with knowledge about legal rights and raise awareness about the laws that protect you. And friends, the bill defines touts as individuals who, for monetary gain or other benefits, solicit clients for legal practitioners. These touts are often found near courts, revenue offices. Their activities undermine the dignity of the legal profession and disrupt the sanctity of judicial proceedings. It is not just about unethical practices, it is about damaging the trust people have in the legal system. For example, imagine a scenario where vulnerable people unfamiliar with the legal processes are misled by these touts. This directly erodes the public's faith in the justice system, as it is allows room for manipulation and exploitation by unauthorized agents. And friends, the bill defines touts as individuals who for monetary gain or other benefits solicit clients for legal practitioners. These touts are often found near courts, revenue offices. Their activities undermine the dignity of the legal profession and disrupt the sanctity of judicial proceedings. It is not just about unethical practices, it is about damaging the trust people have in the legal system. Friends, for example, imagine a scenario where vulnerable people unfamiliar with the legal processes are misled by these touts. This directly erodes the public faith in the justice systems, as it allows room for manipulation and exploitation by unauthorized agents. If we talk about key provisions of the Advocates Amendment Bill 2023, the bill empowers several authorities, including high courts, district judges, session judges, district magistrate and revenue officers of a rank above district collectors, to frame and publish list of touts. The core purpose behind these provisions is to ensure that individuals who unlawfully influence the legal process are identified and prevented from causing further harm. Here are some of the key features of this amendment, which I will share with you all. First key feature is preparation and publication of lists. Authorized officials are given the responsibility to prepare and publish list of those identified as touts. This empowers the judiciary to maintain a system free from exploitation and ensures that legal procedures are followed ethically. And friends, second key feature is due process. Before anyone's name is included in the list, they are given the right to defend themselves. This provision ensures fairness and transparency in the process, upholding the principle of natural justice, where no person can be punished without a fair hearing. And friends, third key feature is penalties. Once an individual is listed as a tout and continues to engage in such activities, they will be subject to imprisonment of up to 3 months or a fine of rupees 500 or both. The imposition of such penalties ensures that those who attempt to subvert the legal process are deterred. And friends, a key part of this amendment is the addition of section 45A, which provides the judiciary with the authority to frame and publish list of touts. This section ensures a robust mechanism to track, investigate, and penalize individuals involved in touting practices. It further reinforces the role of the judiciary in maintaining the ethical standards of the legal professions. Moreover, certain outdated provisions of the Legal Practitioners Act 1879 have been repealed, making the new law more relevant and aligned with the current legal and social environment. If we see that, why is this amendment important? Why so this amendment is not just about penalizing touts, it is about restoring faith in the justice system. It is about ensuring that individuals seeking justice can do so without falling prey to middlemen or unauthorized agents. By weeding out these touts, the bill strengthens the integrity of the legal profession and ensure that access to justice remains direct, transparent and fair. We must also recognize that this bill is a reflection of the broader movement towards transparency in the legal profession. It ensures that no one can manipulate the system for personal gain, therefore upholding the dignity of legal practitioners and protecting the interest of citizens. So friends, the conclusion of this lecture is that the Advocate Amendment Bill 2023 is a crucial step towards making our legal profession and judicial system more transparent, ethical and robust. By addressing the legal issue of touts, this amendment not only protects the public from exploitation but also safeguards the sanctity of the legal process. As an advocate and educator, it is our duty and responsibility to understand and advocate for these reforms. This amendment will undoubtedly lead to a more trustworthy and respected justice system, further enhancing the public's confidence in our courts and legal profession. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you all to reflect on the impact this amendment will have on the future of our legal system. Jai Hind, friends.